Oh, hi there. I'm just going through some of the cleaning products and disinfecting products that I have in my house, and I'm finding that some of these containers are probably just a little bit younger than I am. Of course, it's always important to do cleaning and disinfecting, but there are times, like during the current COVID-19 pandemic, that it's more important than ever. And that's why it's important that we're not compounding our risk by using chemicals unsafely, such as by mixing incompatible chemicals. Now, we all tend to know that we shouldn't mix acids and bases together. But for example, do we know that most oven cleaners contain acids? Do we know that vinegar contains an acid? Do we know that most drain cleaners contain bases and that bleach is a base, so that we understand what exactly not to mix together? There are many other examples of incompatible chemicals, such as we should never mix bleach with either rubbing alcohol or ammonia. So the bottom line, make sure that we have hazard information for all chemicals in our inventory, and make sure that we and our workers understand those hazards before we start disinfecting.